You've already seen Intellisense quite a few times in the previous sessions, but have mostly ignored it. The Intellisense menu is the menu that appears as you're typing code, providing suggestions for what you might mean. Intellisense is one of Visual Studio's most useful features, and you'll learn more about how to use it in this lesson. First, open the Shining Stone sample file from your Sample Files folder. And open the code behind file of by.aspx. We are now going to see the Intellisense menu. To do this, add a new line to the end of the button Submit Order Click Event Handler and type text box. As you can see, the Intellisense menu appears, showing all available objects that contain the text box. Note that Intellisense works best with C#, but you've probably noticed that it will also appear when you are working with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Although Intellisense is useful when working with other languages, it isn't as reliable as it is with C#. There can be a long delay before Intellisense appears, and it doesn't always present a complete list of possible choices. We're now going to select text box address 1 from the Intellisense menu. To do this, first highlight text box address 1, either by clicking on it or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Notice that a box appears on the right, giving you some information about the selected item. It's not particularly useful in this case, but it can help you when you're not sure exactly what you're looking for. You can decide that text box address 1 is what you are looking for by either double-clicking on it or simply pressing Enter. As you can see, Intellisense automatically fills in the complete name. You can use Intellisense to see the properties of the text box address 1 control by simply pressing the full stop key. Intellisense now lists the properties of the text box address 1 control. You can scroll up and down the large list of properties by either using the scroll bar with the mouse or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. You can see all of the text box's properties in this list, plus a few items with different icons, such as Apply Style. Apply Style is a method. You will have noticed that Intellisense contains various different icons. These indicate the type of the item. There are a lot of different icons in Intellisense, but a few of the most common are classes, which are types of object, such as the text box control. You'll learn more about classes in Lesson 6.1. Controls, which are the controls used on your page. Properties, such as the ones you can change using the Properties window. Methods, which are actions, that is, something that objects are able to do. A method might make changes or return some kind of value. Methods can have many different uses, and you'll learn more about them in Lesson 6.5. And namespaces, which are containers for classes, controls, etc. You'll learn more about namespaces in Lesson 6.4. Now use the Intellisense menu to select the text property. Scroll down to it either using the arrow keys or the scroll bar. We're now going to refine Intellisense's search by typing the letters TE. While Intellisense is displayed, you can keep typing to narrow down your search to items that contain what you typed. The items displayed now all contain the letters TE. Now make sure that text is selected by either clicking on it or using the arrow keys, and press Enter or double-click on text. Once again, you'll see that the complete name of the property is automatically filled in. Remove the line of code you added, and close Visual Studio, saving your changes if prompted. You've now completed Lesson 5.1. Use Intellisense.